Okay, now the moment of truth. But I actually cheated and did it without recording, so I know it works. But that moment when you get your first mass production sample and you see if it works. There it is. Even knows I'm a person. A little bit backlit, but still a person. Woohoo! So that's nice. Actually, might as well play with it a little bit while we have it. This is our new depth AI demo. Let's see, enabled, turn subpixel on. So I'll start the pipeline again. And then you can change your display. So there's the depth display, which is great for just being able to play with stuff. So you can see the depth visualization off OAK Lite. Left, right check will get rid of false shadows and stuff. So there we are. It's looking pretty sweet actually. And let's see what else. Then you can do different filterings, confidence thresholds. So if you crank that way up, then you'll see fewer holes, but then you can see some more like errant things. Look around the room. Indoors is one of the hardest states, big blank walls. So it's actually doing pretty well, despite that I'm just in a mostly white walled office and my big white desk. There are my monitors. And there I am. So that's looking pretty sweet actually. And then you can do other things like bilateral and filtering depth ranges and stuff. Like, let's say if we only wanted to show like up to 1 meter. Oh, that's actually for the bounding box, I think. Different filters that you can do live. So this is raw depth, like no median filtering. So you can see it's a lot more granular. And then there's the within the minimum depth. And that's live, which is nice. We recently refactored that. Yeah, and a bunch of other things now that you can do in a UI rather than having to run command line options or whatever. So it's rectified right and left. So now you can see the big blank walls in my office, and there I am, person. So yeah, that's it. I'm excited to get these to you guys.